Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session of Kantanka Automobile Company vehicles. Yes, this year there are a lot of things that will be coming your way. I repeat, a whole lot of stuffs coming your way this year. Trust me, we are bringing you stuffs that are very, very important. So on the thumbnail or the title says a myth about Kantanka vehicles. Myth about Kantanka vehicles. But before we move on to the myth, please, if this is your very first time to my video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap on the notification bell and get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Kwejo Safo Studios. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. It is your brother, it is your friend, your number one content creator on Kantanka vehicles, giving you all the updates on Kantanka vehicles. Nana Kwejo Safo Kantanka. So like I said, there are a lot of myths around Kantanka vehicles, and today we are here to debunk all those myths and separate facts from we are here to separate facts from propaganda. Now, the first myth about Kantanka vehicles, okay, is a payment of duty. When you buy a Kantanka car, you would have to pay duty. Till today, there has been a lot of people that think when you buy Kantanka vehicles, just like what you are seeing, this is the Kantanka K71 Pro, you are supposed to pay duty on it. So this vehicle is 280,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, this vehicle is 280,000 Ghana cedis. And this vehicle being 280,000, people would always ask me when I go on live. Yes, anytime I'm on live, people would ask me, Kwejo, am I supposed to pay, when you mention the price, they will ask you, am I supposed to pay 280,000 Ghana cedis? I mean, am I supposed to pay any money aside the 280,000 Ghana cedis when I buy the car? And I'm like, no, you don't have to pay anything. There is nothing that you are supposed to pay. Absolutely nothing that you are supposed to pay. So Kantanka cars are duty free. You are not paying any money after buying this vehicle. You are not paying any money. This is another version of the Kantanka K71 Pro, not another version, but another color. Yes, this is another color of the K71 Pro. Yes, K71 Pro. You're not paying any duty. As a matter of fact, you are even getting 3 years warranty for factory defects. 3 years warranty for manufacturing defect. Yes, 3 years warranty for manufacturing defect. That is just the truth of the matter. 3 years warranty for manufacturing defect. That is for Kantanka vehicles. And your first registration, your registration of the vehicle would be done by Kantanka Automobile. Your registration would be done by Kantanka Automobile Company. We are going to give you, we are going to do your first servicing for you. Your first servicing would be done by Kantanka. Yes, your first servicing would be done by Kantanka. So, this is the Kantanka Onantefo Sports Utility Vehicle. This is 428,000 Ghana cedis. And another method that we are supposed to move on to is Kantanka cars do not last longer. But even before that, Kantanka cars, we don't have the parts available. Now, I would want to say that Kantanka cars, we have the parts available. Kantanka cars, the parts are available. I would have to create numerous contents around Kantanka vehicles. I would have to go to the production site and show you the parts. So, if you watch this page, I've been to the production sites a number of times, but I don't think I've shown you the parts. But I want to let you know that Kantanka cars, we have the parts available. Parts are available. I repeat, parts are available. And we have our parts at the production site right at Winneba in the central region of the Republic of Ghana. So just in case there is any issue, you call Kantanka on 0242 037429. 0242 037429. You call us, then you let us know the issue. If we get to know about the issue, what we will do is that we will let you know that, okay, this is what you are supposed to do. You understand? So we'll let you know this is what you are supposed to do. Then if you are supposed to bring the vehicle to us, we'll do that for you. If you're not supposed to bring the vehicle to us too, we'll give you places that you are supposed to go to. You understand? So, Kantanka Cars, we have the parts available, and on any day, if you reach out to Kantanka Automobile on 0242037429, of course, Kantanka would be available for you. So behind me is the Kantanka Unlimited Sport Utility Vehicle. This is 8,000. This is a vehicle that comes in colors. We have the blue, we have the red, we have the black, we have the white, we have the gray as well. Now with Kantanka Unlimited Sport Utility Vehicle, trust me, this is a 2.0 turbocharged petrol engine. Just check the interior. I want you to check out the interior. So this is the interior. This is the vehicle. Today I don't have my camera guy with me. So this is the interior of the vehicle. Yes. So this is the interior. This is a push to start. As what is it called? It has a sunroof. Yes, it comes with a sunroof. This is a 7-seater sport utility vehicle. A 7-seater sport utility vehicle that you are getting from Kantanka. We have no payment, 3 years warranty for manufacturing defect. You are getting free registration. Your first servicing will be done by Kantanka. Yes, your first servicing would be done by Kantanka. And as a matter of fact, take it from me. As a matter of fact, when you get to 1,000 mileage, like I said, your first servicing will be done by us. You don't pay any duty, and Kantanka Cars, we have the parts available. Now, another myth is that people think Kantanka is associated with a particular political party. We are not associated with any political party. We work with every political party that comes into power. Yes, every political party, we work with that political party. So no matter what, no matter which political party is in power, we work with that political party. Now, can Kantanka cars last longer? Oh my goodness, please, our cars can last longer, just like what you are seeing on the screen. Our cars, they can last longer. I've interviewed people that have used Kantanka cars for 8 years. I've interviewed people that have used Kantanka cars for years. And they tell you that you don't really have to worry yourself about anything. You know, Kantanka cars are actually built for the African road. Someone has been using Kantanka, the man that you are seeing on the screen, he's been using Kantanka for how many years? For 8 years. Yes, he's been using Kantanka for 8 good years without facing any issues, other than, you know, the normal maintenance that you're supposed to do. And also, aside the normal maintenance, yes, the normal maintenance that you're supposed to do, and the normal services, like the normal change of oil and everything. This person, yes, he's been driving Kantanka, the second version of the Omama. He's been driving that for 8 good years. Can you imagine? For 8 good years. So guys, I'm not going to say much. Kantanka cars last longer. I mean, after sales service, we've got it. No duty, 3 years warranty for factory defects. First servicing will be done by Kantanka for free. When you get to 1,000 mileage, we have the parts available at the production site. Kantanka cars, we build our own vehicles. Of course, just like other brands, we import parts. We include them in everything that we do, just like what you are seeing on the screen. So we build our own parts. People think we don't build anything, or we just go and buy the vehicle and bring it over here. We build our own parts. Everything that we do, we have videos and everything to testify to that. So I'm not going to talk much. This is just some myth that I actually wanted to clarify. In my next video, we are talking about the 5% discount, which is starting from the 1st of March on Kantanka Unlimited Sport Utility Vehicle. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Kojo Safu Studios. Follow me on TikTok. Also, follow me on TikTok. I'm grateful for your time. Bye.